Holiday ad costs are about to crush retailers again this year. Pay-per-click costs just went up 10% last holiday season and are expected to go up another 15% this holiday season. And that's beyond your competitors pushing up all the rates. It's time to stop giving all your money away to Google and Facebook. Look, here's the 3 hidden profit killers coming up for Q4 for online apparel and electronic retailers. It's going to be rising acquisition costs, emails that don't convert, and competitors racing to the bottom with discounts. That means you're going to be working harder, earning less, and bleeding profit when you should be making the most money during this time of year. Look, for the past 27 years, I've been helping online apparel retailers and electronic retailers increase their revenue while decreasing their expenses. Yep, since 1998. It's been a long time. As a matter of fact, using this method, I helped one of my clients sell over $2 million worth of electronic goods during Black Friday week while reducing the spend on advertising. Kind of nice. So, what happens if you plan to do nothing this year? If you do nothing or not, ad costs are going up 15% by December compared to last December. The advertising platforms are hiking ad rates all the time, and it's never going to turn back around. You need to create a plan for Black Friday and holiday. And if you don't, it means you're going to be paying more for fewer customers, watching your holiday revenue slip away to those competitors who acted first. Basically, you keep doing nothing, your ad costs are going to keep climbing. Your margins are going to keep shrinking, and you're going to keep watching your profits vanish while your competitors take your customers. Let's flip the script. Imagine logging into your dashboard this holiday season and seeing your sales spike while your ad costs decrease. Instead of bleeding profit, you're finally pocketing more cash every single day, turning what used to be your most stressful months into your most profitable ones. Imagine waking up and seeing every keyword that used to linger in positions 3 to 7 on Google now setting at number 1 and 2. Your competitors will disappear below the fold while your organic traffic floods in day after day with sales rolling in without you spending a dime on ads. Sounds nice, don't it? And your email broadcasts finally perform the way they should. Opens increase, clicks spike, and purchases flow in with every send. Hey, is this system right for you? If you sell apparel or electronics online, and you're ready to put in just a little bit of work and work with me one-on-one to focus on the bottom of the funnel marketing methods that lead to a purchase, then this is for you. But who this isn't for? Service businesses, B2B, websites without traffic, or websites that have a small opt-in email list, are those with little marketing money, and those that are not coachable. Look, if you got the time and expertise, hey, try doing it yourself again this year. Check below and watch my free playlist for some guidance. But if you want to get there quicker and easier and work with me one-on-one and use my experience with driving qualified traffic so you can increase your revenue while decreasing your expenses, then schedule a call now below. Look, it's the holiday profit system. It's the smarter way to win Q4. Now, most retailers think that the only way to win Q4 is to outspend on ads, waste a lot of time Facebooking, TikToking, trying to convince influencers and affiliates to sell your stuff for you, slash prices, deep discounting. I'm here to tell you that's a shitty plan. That's the plan your competitors want you to use. Instead, use my holiday profit system. What is it? It's a framework designed to help online apparel and electronic retailers grow their audience, sell more at full price, and keep profits high even when ad costs skyrocket. Look, here's the 4 profit pillars that make this work. First, it's a list growth engine. We're going to use online contests to add thousands of new subscribers to your opt-in email list and get them warmed up before the Q4 crunch. Next, email cash machine. We're going to boost your open rates, click rates, and purchases so every broadcast makes more money with less work. Third, traffic compounding. We will increase your organic Google rankings so you get free, high-intent traffic, reducing your need to spend on Google ads. And finally, the full price selling method, selling during Black Friday and Cyber Monday without discounting your margins away. Here, let me talk about a real retailer with real results. I used a similar system with one of my apparel clients at the beginning of the year, and they had such a huge increase in revenue that the entire team surpassed their yearly revenue goal by June and received their holiday bonus 6 months early. Hey, this is an everyday brand. It's not a unicorn. The system works because it doubles and triples down on the highest intent online marketing methods that lead to a purchase. So what do you get when we work together? We work one-on-one together, helping you build your opt-in email list, increase revenue from your email list, rank higher on Google, and dominate holiday sales without increasing your spend on ads. Remember, you got the time. Try doing it yourself for free. Check down below for some guidance. But time has already run out. So if you want to get there quicker and easier and want my help increasing your revenue while decreasing your expenses this holiday season, then go below and let's schedule a call. Don't wait until November. Black Friday prep isn't something you can cram in at the last minute. Every single day you delay, ad costs climb higher, competitors take more ground, and the window to dominate this holiday season gets smaller. Here's the kicker. I'm only taking on a few more clients right now. Once these spots are gone, they're gone, and you'll be stuck paying more, competing harder, and watching your competitors win the customers that should have been yours. So, your next steps? Go below and let's schedule a short 10-minute call so we can explore working together. It'll be just a short call just to make sure that we're a match. If I can't help you, I'll let you know and I'll try to point you in the right direction. Now, let's make this your most profitable holiday season ever. I've been helping online apparel and electronic retailers increase their revenue, decrease their expenses, and get more attention for the past 27 years. Go below and let's schedule a call now. Let's make this your most profitable holiday season ever, the easy way.